I go through belt sander belts a lot, and it's mostly because they gum up, not necessarily because the grit is worn away. And I've seen these belt cleaners before, but I've never used one. So now we're going to see what it does. Nice. It's like a new belt.